Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Learning. In this video, we will explore about npm and package.json, two essentials for working with Node.js. So first we are going to talk about what is package.json. For that, we have to open our terminal, and inside the terminal, we have to first check we get the npm or not. For checking that, write npm hyphen v, press enter. Now you will see the version number that you have installed. The npm means you have installed the nodejs in your system. If you install the nodejs in your system, you will have the npm. And after that, checking that, we are going to create a project to understand package.json. Okay, so we will first create the project inside the desktop. So we are going to type cd desktop. Cd means go inside the desktop. So you see it's coming inside the desktop. After that, we are going to create a project. So for creating the project, we have to type the command mkdir. Mkdir means make the directory. Directory means project folder. Okay. And we are going to name this project package demo. Okay. And press enter. Now you create it. Now we have to go inside this project. So how to go inside this package demo folder? Type cd package demo. Okay, and press enter. Now after that, we have to create the package.json file. How to create the package.json file? We have to type the command npm init and then press enter. Now it will ask some question to you. Do you want the package name to be package demo? Yes, I want that. So press enter. Then it asks for what's the version number, because I'm creating from scratch, so it has the version number 1. Now press enter. It's asking for the description, means what about this project is. So for now I'm taking it empty. So press enter. Now it's asking me what's the entry point, means from where your project will start running. So I want index.js file and press enter. Then it's about asking about test command. So test command is about the commands that we use for testing our project, that we will cover later in this Node.js series. For now, we will take it as it is. So press enter. Then it's asking about Git repositories. For now, we are not taking any Git repositories. So press enter. Keywords asking. These things are for configuration. You don't have to worry about it. So just press enter about it. When we go deep into each of these things, we will explain them in detail. So for now, press enter. Here it's asking about the author, means who making this project. So let me type any name or like code with learning. Okay. And after that, we have to press enter. Now asking about the license, which is provide ISC license, then press enter. It's saying, is this okay? If it's not okay, then you can change it. But for me, it's okay. So press enter. And now it's successfully package.json file is created. What is package.json file? So think of it as a set of file that holds information about your project, like its name, version, and scripts. You see here. Now, when you create a Node.js project, you often generate this package.json file to keep track of everything your project needs. Got it? This is the base file of your project, which have the all information about your project. We can call it metadata, means data of data. Okay, so now for understanding it more, we have to go inside the Visual Studio Code. So type code dot and press enter. By typing this, your Visual Studio Code will open. And now from here you see what we created about package.json file. It is here. Now, one more thing inside this package.json file is about dependencies. So how to know what the dependencies are? So dependencies are the packages on which our project depends. Means if we want, if we are going to write our project in Express, we install Express, we install HTTP for write our server. So these are all dependencies which we install. So that dependency shows here in the dependency section. How it will create? So for that, let's open our terminal here. Now inside this terminal, we have to install the package. How we install the package? We write npm. Okay, npm is a node package manager, or we can call it node package module, which has all the packages inside it which are we are going to install. So we are asking from npm to install express. We want express from it. So express is a minimalistic framework of nodejs. Basically, Express helps us to create server in more efficient way. So press enter now. So it's installing the Express. And now you see, after installation, it's created the dependency key value pair. So the package.json file is written in the format, it's the JSON format. Okay, JavaScript object notation, full form of JSON. Now this is the dependency section. Now, what if you want to delete this module from these dependencies? So, you have to type in the terminal npm uninstall express and press enter. Now, you see, dependencies goes back. So, these are the dependencies. So for understanding now, there are two types of dependencies. One for we install for production grade, which we want also after deploying our project, and there are some dependencies which we only want in our development session, like when we developing the project. We don't want those dependencies to go when we are pushing our project in the production means we are deploying our project. We are pushing our project to the public. So at that time we don't want like nodemon. Nodemon is the package which we want to run our server without stopping and restarting again and again. So that nodemon is a dev dependencies, means it is only used in development, not in production. So let me show you how their dependencies created in dev dependencies. So here we write npm nodemon save dev and press enter. Oh, I forget here to write install. So write again npm I means install. You can write I also. Nodemon save dev. Now it will install Nodemon. So you will see it's now written dev dependency. And if we again install npm I express, and here I'm not saving it to dev dependency, so you see it's coming inside the dependency and nodemon is coming inside the dev dependency. So it means that nodemon is not pushed when we deploy our project, but express is pushed there because express is needed there. Now we are going to talk about the scripts here. So when we start our project we write node or the file name after that. But what if have to write some script, and by that script we can run our server? So how to do that? Inside this script we can write start, okay, and after that inside this I can write that command which we use to run the server. So here I write node index.js. So index.js is our starter file. As you see here, it is the main file. So now if I save it, and now we can write in the terminal to start the index.js file npm start and press enter. Now you see it says module not found because here index.js is not created yet. So let me create index.js file. Okay. Now If I type here npm start and press enter, it's running. See, so these are the script. We can write a script whatever we want, like for test and many more. So that's the basic thing about package.json. And about npm, here it is a tool for installing and managing libraries or packages in your nodejs project. So packages are the reusable pieces of code that you can add to your project instead of writing everything from scratch. Okay, so these are built-in packages inside the nodejs. Yeah, now you are set to use package.json and npm to manage your nodejs projects like a pro. And don't worry if it feels a bit new, keep practicing and it will soon become second nature. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner friendly Node.js tutorials and hit the bell to stay updated. Drop any question in the comment, I had love to help. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.